ama Mark 11 mstari wa 24. Therefore I tell you, whatever you ask in prayer, believe that you have received it, and it will be yours. And whenever you stand praying, forgive if you have anything against anyone, so that your Father also in heaven may forgive your trespasses. Mark 11:24. Mark 11:24. Then from there twende mpaka kwa Psalms 71:21. We want to understand the reason why we need God. You will increase my greatness and comfort me again. 22. I will also praise you with the harp for your faithfulness of my God. I will sing praises to you with lyre, O Holy One of Israel. 23. My lips will shout for joy when I sing praises to you, my soul also, which you have redeemed. And my tongue will talk of your righteous help all the day, for they have been put to shame and disappointed who sought to do hurt me. Praise be the name of God. In the book of Mark 11:24, it's saying, whatever you will ask from me shall be given to you. Therefore I say to you, whatever the desire you'll have, whatever the need that you ask from me, I will give it to you. This is a powerful word from God, that we need to go to Him, not Him coming to us. And when you go to God, He will give all your desires. And the condition for your desires to be given is you going to God, not Him coming to you. And when you go to God, there is a door that will open, because it is an attitude of submission, an attitude of recognizing God, an attitude of saying, indeed, my Father, you are my Father. You are the King of kings. You are the King of glory. You are the boss in my life. You are everything that I depend on. You are everything that I wait upon. You are everything that I need in my life, because we need God and He needs us. Praise be the name of God. And therefore, He says, He continues to say that whatever you ask in my name shall be given to you. So it is all about asking. We are not just to sit down and wait for Him to think what we need. That is why we need to go to God, because He is waiting for your confession. He is waiting for you to open up your mouth so that He can confirm to what He knows. Because the Bible says, even before you opened your mouth, He knows what you need. But He needs your mouth to open up so that He can confirm, say that He can be able to reconfigure and make it perfect, make it proper, and make it straight as to your desire. Because it is about our desire to walk with God, our desire to live a godly life. Our desire is God's desire. What we desire in God, it is what He has already desired in us. But what He wants, first wait, it is for you to have a confession that I desire to walk with you, and I desire to stand in your own ways. Praise be the name of God. Hiyo ndio inaashiria na inaleta katika mipango mizuri ya kuhakikisha ya kwamba umekaa katika mamlaka ya mbinguni. Mamlaka ya mbinguni yanapitia katika mapitio ya kuhakikisha ya kwamba hakuna kitu hata kimoja ambacho kinatendeka kinyume, ambacho kinaenda bila mpangilio wa Mungu. Biblia inasema ya kwamba hakuna kitu hata kimoja ambacho kinatendekanga kinyume bila Mungu kujua. There is nothing, hakuna kitu kinaweza fanyika katika dunia hii bila kusudi la Mungu. Hakuna. Mungu hawezi kukubalisha chochote. Anakufahamisha kama kuna hatari iliyo mbele yako. Huyu Mungu anakufahamisha. Kama kuna jambo ambalo limepangwa ambalo halistahili, huyu Mungu anakuwa amekufahamisha, kwa sababu muko na connection. Lakini ukapata wewe haukujua jambo ambalo lilikutendekea, haukujua, lakini ulifahamishwa. Ni vile ulikuwa busy na haukuwa na wakati wa kuelewa mazungumzo ya Mungu kati ya wewe na yeye. Kwa hivyo kuna jambo la umuhimu wakati tunamtafuta Mungu. Kuna masikio yanafungukanga. Bwana Yesu asifiwe sana. Wakati tunamtafuta, when you are looking for God, there is an inner ear that opens up. This inner ear that opens up is to help you to hear the voices of God. Because the voices of God are not heard by the ordinary ears. The voices of God are not heard by your ordinary ear. It is heard by an inner ear that is very special and dedicated purposely for the godless. Therefore, it is very important for you to be awake. And that is what the Bible is saying, that always remain awake, so that when God will come and when the enemy comes, you'll be able to discern between God and the enemy. All of us, we have the discerning spirit. All of us, we have got the power to identify the enemy and to identify God. But if we go asleep and not be able to see or be able not to be awake, then the enemy will come and steal. Because the enemy comes to break, to destroy, and steal. And the enemy will, if it is to steal, they will not come broad daylight. They will not come when you see them. They will make sure that there is something that is happening to you so that they can come and steal. Therefore, that is why the church is being called to be awake. Whatever moves that you make, be awake. Anything that happens around you, just don't ignore it. Anything that is happening around you, even if it is a fly that is on your